Knife heads, how's it going? Today I'm going to do something a little different. Today is Tuesday, but you guys are going to be seeing this Wednesday. Before I do that, I'm going to get a shot of the old Diet Mountain Dew. That's some good stuff. So, I'm thinking about doing something. And if you guys want to join in, you can join in. I know it is what it is, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to call it 3 for Wednesday. I'm going to start doing this every week. So, you can say it's an open tag, or you can say it ain't an open tag. Either way, it's all good. If any of you knife tubers want to join in, you can join in. More power to yous. Come on. But, let's see here. Which one do I want to start with, Big E? I showed this one this morning. So I'm going to start out with this one since I've done showed it. This is chestnut bone, full-size trapper. It is a 2017 6254 CV USA case. And it's got that chestnut bone. It's starting to get a little scratches on it. I've been carrying this one. I've been obsessed with this bone. I've got a lot of them. I got the smooth bones. I got a lot like this. I got a lot of chestnut bones. But there's a spay blade. There's the numbers if you want to see it. 6254 CV. That was the spay blade. There's the main blade. It's got 3 stars. That means it's a 2017. Both of them blades are straight down Broadway. Straight down Broadway. You can't ask for a prettier knife than this one. Come on. So, with that, you guys will be thinking, what else is he going to show? I don't think I've showed this knife before. I don't think. But, you guessed it. This is a chestnut bone, 32 pattern stockman. You know how you can tell it's a 32 pattern? The bolsters are squared off. They ain't rounded. If they're rounded, it could be an 18 or a 47. But this one's a 32 pattern. This one got the sheep's foot blade. And it's a 32032 CV. You can tell, look at that. Tell me that ain't a doll baby. That's a doll baby. Sheep's foot blade. This one's got a pin blade in it. And it's got that clip point, but as you know, I call it the main blade. There it is, open. I don't know why I can't get this thing to take a picture. But you want to hear the snappability on this one? You ready? You hear that blade? Oh my goodness. Them two secondary blades got more pop than the main blade. As you can see, there ain't no gaps. No gaps. That is a beautiful, beautiful knife. So, do a little recap. Well, I didn't do the pop on this, so I'm going to show you guys. It's got some good pop. As you know, this knife does not have half stops. It's a full trapper. Full trapper, chestnut bone. 32 pattern. Stockman, chestnut bone. You guys are saying, hey, that's only 2 knives. Why are you showing all these chestnut bone knives the last week or so? You know why? Because I want to. Oh, I'm so funny. This knife, I have never showed this one on a short or nothing. It's getting ready to be a short right here in just a minute. When I get done with this video, I'm going to make a short on this knife. And I'm going to use this knife in Sundays, Saudi Sundays. So you'll get to see this one 2 times this week. That is another chestnut bone. Check the gappage. No gapping. Pal side. Perfect. I absolutely love this knife. This is a Sodbuster Jr. This one is a 2019 6137 CV. Let's hear the pop on this one. Guys, if you hear my baby, it's that time of the day where I go pick up my kids. So you might hear her back there playing, but that's okay. Let's hear the pop. You ready? Now don't that have some pop? Look at that. Look at that. What does Big E say? Right down Broadway, baby. 1, 2, 3. Strikes, you're out. Boom, baby. So that's my 3 knives that I'm going to start this open tag, or whatever you want to call it. It can be any kind of knives too, guys. You can use case knives, Rough Riders, anything. GECs. Whatever you want. Whatever suits your fancy, that's what you can use. I don't know if anybody's ever had a tag like this one. 3 for Wednesday. But yeah. I hope you guys will join in. I ain't had no luck yet with people joining in. I've had, I think it's 2 people do my open tag. So that's the reason I'm not calling it an open tag, but I am. Because it seems like I'm the stepson or the stepbrother of the group. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Oh. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is going to come out tomorrow. And I want to say thanks to each and every one of you guys that's sticking around, hanging out with me, commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing. You are a bunch of classy people. That's why I call you guys my classy knife heads, baby. If it wasn't for you guys, I would just be collecting them and looking at them at the house. You know what I mean? Because some of these knives I don't use. Like this one. I ain't brought myself to carry these. I carry this one. I carry this one on my side in that sleeve I showed you. That slip. But, guys, if you want to get in on this, you're more than welcome to. I'm going to do it every week. This is going to be one tag I'm sticking with, no matter what. I like to show knives, and I know all my classy knife heads likes to see them. I don't care if anybody does it or not. They usually don't do them, but that's fine. That's fine. I'll do them. Come on. You guys, I'm just rambling on and on and on. If they ain't been nobody tell you this today, I love y'all. And stay classy. You hear?